Hi everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel and welcoming back a special guest, Sharon.
Hey.
She did a wedding makeup look on me, was it a year ago? A year ago, and I wasn't engaged yet. I had gotten engaged I think 3 weeks after that video went up, and now she's actually doing my wedding makeup. We thought we'd film my trial today for you guys. I absolutely love it. You did such a good job. I kind of laughed through a lot of this too, so please bear with me. I'm gonna list all the products that we use in the description box below and sharing some techniques that Sharon used throughout the video. I hope you guys all enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial.
So first, priming your skin is super important, especially on a wedding day. So we went ahead and used the COL-LAB Fundamental Hydrating Primer. I love using this because my skin is so dry. It's like alligator skin. So I really wanted to make sure I prepped that properly for my wedding day. And also, it's gonna be like glue for your makeup. So it is an essential step to do before going in with your foundation. Now for the next step, she used a brow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I wish I could copy paste what she did here every day because she created a full looking brow without being it too strong. Because I did specify that I didn't want an overly strong brow. She gave me exactly what I wanted, just really filled in and kind of mimicked that hair-like look and fullness just by using a brow that's perfectly matched to my hair color. Look at the difference of those brows just in the last clip. Oh my gosh, it's like microblading without any of the surgery. It's really nice. And now she's taking a little bit of MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which I love as a starting point. It really creates a nice clean base before we go in with the eyeshadow. The second we came out with this COL-LAB Get Ready With Me Pro Palette eyeshadow palette, I knew I wanted to incorporate it on my wedding day. So we use these warm tone colors to really create the perfect smoky eye. So Sharon started with the warm brown color on the lower row and really buffed that out into my crease, which always makes a great starting point. And then she took the light gold shade and really packed it on. These colors are so pigmented. That's why I love them and definitely can't wait to wear these on my wedding day. It created, honestly, the most beautiful warm tones that go together so cohesively. So she did this awesome thing where she had me look to the side so it got every little nook and cranny on my eyelid. And as you can see, she's really packing on that light gold color, which I love. And then she took the medium brown shade and really just started buffing it out on the outer corners of my eyes using a really tapered blending brush. And you're just building up the color going from light to dark. So I just love that she did it in stages and in layers so that it really built up to the intensity that we like. Now taking the darkest shade in the palette, and it's a matte color, it's a really deep dark brown, and she used it as liner, which I loved. I thought I was going to do a black liner for my wedding day, but I really like the look of a really sultry eyeliner look that isn't just a true harsh black. You can achieve the same look with a dark brown, so she did such a great job just smoking out my lash line with that really deep pigmented dark shade in the palette. Right now on Instagram, if you follow COL-LAB Makeup and also tag 2 friends in the post, you will get a chance to win my favorite products that we used in this video. COL-LAB Makeup products, we'll be doing a giveaway and 5 winners will be selected. So make sure you check that out. I'll also link description box details explaining more of the contest. So make sure you guys check it out. You don't want to miss it. Now she went ahead and did a couple coats of my favorite mascara. This is the COL-LAB Love Your Curves Extreme and Sculpt Mascara. This one makes you look like you have false eyelashes on. I'm still going to go in with false eyelashes, but I did want to do a few coats before this because false eyelashes are good to do for the big day, but this is my favorite everyday mascara. It makes a huge difference, and I just love the way it makes my eyes look. Then we chose the Ardell false lashes in the style 817, and I feel like this was one of the hardest decisions for the wedding day because you could do so many different types of looks with lashes. There's so many out there, but I love we chose a one that almost makes me look like I have eyeliner on without having eyeliner on. It just creates a lot of depth and volume and just really flatters my eye shape, so I'm really in love with this style. Now we're taking the Hourglass foundation stick, which is very full coverage to cover all my acne scarring on the sides of my face. She's just blending that out with a Beauty Blender sponge. It's nice and damp, and we did a couple layers here so we can really build up the coverage because I do want that on the wedding day to be really photography friendly, to be able to stand the heat. My wedding is in June, so I want it to be sweat proof and really just stay put. So I thought this color looked really nice here too, and just since I will be having a little bit of tan, we went a little bit darker here, so I love it. And when you use concealer after, it really just all kind of balances out. Now we're going in with the Tarte concealer to highlight and brighten underneath the eyes. You guys know all about this stuff. It is full coverage and just going in and highlighting the areas on the high points of your face, and then I'm just going to blend that in with a Beauty Blender sponge. Then she had me look up and not move. I thought this was a great tip to stay looking up while you set the under eye area so nothing creases. And she set the rest of the face with one of my favorite products, the COL-LAB Kill the Shine Pressed Powder. I'm usually scared of powder, but this is a nice satin finish and really just sits on the skin beautifully, helping just lock in the rest of your face makeup. She went ahead and bronzed my skin using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, so I love how she started at the top of the ears, went down the slopes of my cheeks, did the jawline and also the forehead area, really just to give my face some nice structure. Then she went ahead and removed any of the excess baking, and my eyes were super bright underneath. I absolutely love the way this looked. When I got a little peek in the camera, I was really enjoying the way this was turning out, getting so excited. And then she went ahead and used my favorite blush, which is MAC's Melba, and it's this beautiful corally shade that you can't go wrong with on your wedding day. I love what she did next. She took the COL-LAB Get Ready With Me palette, that warm tone brown, and started to smoke out my lower lash line. This made my eyes look bigger and just really create that nice smoky effect. Then she took the darkest shade in the palette that we used also on top of the eyes and just went really close to the waterline. It almost gave like an eyeliner look without using a harsh black. I just love the way this turned out. And then she went ahead and used the mascara that we used earlier and put the wand vertical to get a really nice voluminous effect on the bottom, and I absolutely love the way this looked. It again made my eyes look a lot bigger, which is what I wanted for the wedding day. The second hardest decision was deciding what lip color to do besides lashes, because I feel like you could go in so many directions, but we chose Nice and Spicy by MAC Cosmetics, which is a really nice rich tone, and she filled in my entire lips with this pencil. Then we chose a liquid lipstick by Colourpop called Echopark that is a hair lighter than the liner, just to keep adding dimension to the lips, and we just wanted to be a little bit lighter in the center, just create that fullness and really just create a really pretty ombre effect. And last but not least, we took the COL-LAB Go With The Flow Lip Shine and Easy Glowing, another one of my favorites that we have in the line because it has some gold flecks in it. It just really is so pretty on top of any lipstick combination you can put this on top of, and it creates a beautiful finish. Last but not least, set everything with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray so it locks all in place and just really refreshes that makeup. This is me telling Sharon how much I loved the makeup look, and I'm so excited to wear it in June. Hope you guys go check her out, her Instagram page and her website. I will link everything in the description box below, as well as all the products. Thank you guys so much for joining me here. Make sure you check out the COL-LAB makeup contest going on right now. I will link that also in the description box, and make sure you follow us on Instagram. So much to come this year with the line. I'm super excited about. And thank you guys so much for being here and just being so supportive. And I can't wait to show you guys more wedding content soon. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.